The other day, I was at a cafe here in Cagliari. Beautiful cafe, amazing coffee. I go to pay, and the staff member goes like, the vegan coffee with soy milk costs €1 more. And I'm like, what? Wait, how does that make sense? And then it hit me. Right, we live in a fucked up world. No, but seriously, how is that possible? For 1 liter of cow's milk, you need about 628 liters of water. And for 1 liter of soy milk, at best 28 liters. Soy milk causes about 70% less emissions. Cow's milk requires around 8 to 9 square meters of land per liter. Soy milk about 0.7 to 1. Cow's milk production means raising and feeding dairy cows. Calves are usually separated, antibiotic and hormone issues. Soy milk, purely plant-based farming. Hormones in cow's milk, antibiotic resistance, and. Watch my first video in this series. I completely break down conventional milk. But you get the point. So how can soy milk and coffee cost €1 more than cow's milk? And then I remembered, oh yeah, right. We live in a messed up world where the government represents the interest of big industries, not of people. And you want to tell me there's no conspiracy? That's pretty naive. Hey, honestly, I totally get why you want to go vegan. I was vegan for 7 years, and now I'm here to show you how to live the right way. But first, follow for more. Seriously though, in this video, you will learn exactly how you as a little vegan Padawan can replace milk and still be super healthy. In this video and on my channel, you will also learn about the stupid mistakes I made back then and which ones you should avoid so you get the best results from the start. And yes, I have to admit, high quality organic Demeter, Bioland, Naturland milk can be very healthy. Fermented dairy is even better. But my favorite vegan influencer and my favorite vegan doc said milk makes me sick. I know, but they forgot to mention the details. It's all about the quality. If you want the full picture, check my last video on this topic. These people are lying. Yes, for noble reasons maybe, but still lying. I'm here to share the truth. I'm not here to blindly take sides and spread propaganda. There's enough of that already. On this channel, it's all about the truth. Keep in mind, the recommendations in this video are general advice, not individual medical guidance. You will need to experiment. Some tips will require you to dig deeper if you are doing it alone. This isn't a full vegan transition guide either, though there's overlap. It's mainly about replacing milk. Best case, you come to me directly and we do it together. So you don't make the same dumb mistakes I did. 7 years vegan plus countless clients. So let's get to it. How can you intelligently cut milk from your life and be insanely healthy? First, don't switch overnight. You've been consuming meat, eggs, and milk your whole life. And so did your ancestors. Your body has adapted to that diet. That means processes like converting plant nutrients into active animal nutrients, like making vitamin K2 from K1, might not work perfectly at first. Your gut microbiome needs to adapt. Your enzyme balance changes. These skills have to be activated or even newly developed. Take your time, 6 to 12 months or more. Yes, some people adapt faster, others slower, but slow and steady is smarter because you don't yet know how your unique body will react. Examples for a smooth transition: gradual reduction over 6 months, a year, or even 2 years. Slowly reduce animal products. Start replacing milk, then yogurt, then cheese. Parallel build-up. Introduce functional alternatives early, like fermented plant products, so your body develops new habits. Support digestion. Use bitter herbs, fermented foods, maybe vegan enzymes to help digestion. Observe your body. Notice how you feel when you reduce or cut dairy for 3 to 5 days. What needs replacing? Protein. Milk provides complete proteins, casein, whey. Vegans need complete amino acids, good digestibility, and a mix of sources. High quality vegan proteins, raw organic hemp protein, contains all 9 essential amino acids, highly digestible. Fermented tofu, tempeh, miso, natto, soy yogurt, all fermented for better bioavailability and digestibility. Quinoa, amaranth, buckwheat, also complete proteins, though lower in total protein content, but easier to digest than legumes. Beans and lentils are great if your body can handle them. Pro tip, mix plant proteins for balance. If you haven't eaten many legumes or pseudo grains before, start slow, tiny portions at first, so your body adapts. Trust me, otherwise, no one will want to be in the same room with you. Next, fat-soluble vitamins and milk fats. Milk provides CLA, butyrate, vitamin A, vitamin D3, vitamin K2, plus good omega fatty acid ratios in high-quality milk. Vegan alternatives, raw coconut butter or raw cacao butter. Coconut butter, though, is insane. MCTs and stearic acid, avocados, olives, macadamias, monounsaturated fats for heart health, plus antioxidants, carotenoids, carrots, pumpkin, not active vitamin A, but precursors your body can convert. Algae oil for DHA EPA. I used to recommend it, but it can be tricky. Start with flax seeds or flaxseed oil and hemp seeds. Keep omega-6 low and maybe get your omega-3 to 6 ratio tested. Vitamin K2, same as vitamin A. K1 in plants can be converted to K2 once your body adapts. Or just eat natto. I love it. Vitamin D you get mainly from the sun. Calcium, magnesium, minerals. Milk's calcium is highly bioavailable. Plants often contain calcium bound to oxalates, for example, like in spinach, or phytates, like in grains, which reduce absorption. But sometimes you don't want maximum absorption. Balance matters. Best vegan calcium, kale, pak choi, broccoli. Low oxalates, good minerals. Start small and work with smoothies. Sesame, poppy, and almonds are calcium bombs. Sango coral, calcium, magnesium, trace minerals. Chia seeds, amaranth, mineral water with high calcium levels. Tip, ensure enough vitamin D. Reduce oxalates, combine with fermented foods for better uptake. Probiotics and enzymes. Raw milk and fermented dairy contain live lactic acid bacteria, enzymes, lactase, lipase, antimicrobial peptides, lactoferrin, vegan replacements, homemade water kefir or kombucha, fermented veggies like sauerkraut, kimchi, carrot ginger, miso, tempeh, natto, enzymes plus probiotics, cashew or coconut yogurt with probiotic cultures. Tip, add small amounts daily, ideally raw and homemade. Start tiny, especially with fermented veggies, or you won't be able to stand your own smell. Cheese addiction. I know you love the cheese, you little addict. And yes, cheese addiction is real. Casein breaks down into casomorphins, opioid-like peptides that bind to the same brain receptors as morphine or heroin, though much weaker, of course. They can calm you, reward you, give mild euphoria. Plus, cheese is fat-salt-glutamate combo that lights up your brain's reward system. Same as drugs, sex, gambling. That's why people say cheese is better than sex. Yeah, I could never quit cheese. Solution? Replacement. Best strategy for any addiction. Swap for something healthier. Vegan cheese options. Fermented cashew cheese. Enzyme-rich, flavorful macadamia cheese. Fatty, creamy. Nut-based cream cheese with miso. Nutritional yeast, sunflower or almond. Plant yogurts. Soy is the best, but almond, cashew, coconut work as well. Tasty and super healthy with cultures for gut health. I've tried many of these and the quality now is amazing. Believe me, you won't miss out. Just be open to new flavors. Let's go a little bit deeper. Yes, some nutrients exist in animal foods, but not in plants. Taurine, creatine, K2, and others. Animals have them because they ate plants and converted them. Our bodies can do the same if we give them the right building blocks. That's why slow transition matters. It's like training a skill. The only nutrient you must supplement as a vegan is B12. Or you could source perfect ethical eggs or keep your own hens. B12 stores in the body for a long time. You wouldn't even need eggs daily. Honestly, that's even better than a synthetic supplement. As a vegan, I was super dogmatic about this. I cared more about keeping my vegan label than about what really works the best. But ethically, eggs can be completely fine. And ask yourself, are supplements truly harmless? How much energy goes into making vegan B12? And that's just one nutrient. Eggs contain 500 plus compounds, maybe thousands. I've gone off track a little bit. This isn't an egg lecture. But if you want more on eggs, ethics, and nutrients, drop it in the comments. And that's it. Once again, I've saved your life. And now, for more.